Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to turn on or off Google location history on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, all you have to do is go to setting in your Samsung Galaxy A02. In settings, scroll down and find the privacy. Okay, go to privacy. And privacy, you can see the Google location history. Okay, tap this. And okay guys, make sure your Wi-Fi connection is on and your Google account is logged in to Google app. If you are not logged in, log in first to your Google account. And okay guys, here in activity control, you can see the location history, and you can see the location history is off. And to turn on the location history, you'll have to do is tap the turn on button, and after that, okay, turn on location history, you'll have to do is scroll down and you can see the turn on button. You'll have to do is tap the turn on button. And after that, tap the gadget button. And that's it. We have successfully turned on the location history on your Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, to turn off the Google location history, you'll have to do is tap the turn off button. And after that, scroll down again and you can see the pause button. You'll have to do is tap the pause button. And okay, tap the gadget, and that's it. We have successfully turned off the Google location history. And okay guys, I decide to turn on the Google location history on my Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully turned on or off Google location history on my Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.